This time around, it's a brief study of whether or not the Toyota GR86 is resistant to tropical conditions. HiroshimaSpirit! The rain has subsided for the moment, but I've been driving my two-door sports car around in these conditions. You're in a fucking avalanche. Stop being such a pussy. And let me tell you, it is not conducive. After a brief jaunt to commiserate with friends as Hurricane Milton approaches, here are my findings. With the power actively flickering and the car safely on jack stands, I can roundly state that the Toyota GR86 and its BRZ sibling are not even tropical storm resistant. I had to commit, allegedly, several traffic violations to get my car home safely. If you're smart and you maintain the crown of the road while no one else is on it, you'll be alright. No one else was on the road, but this is the price I'm paying for being out in tropical storm conditions and driving the wrong way on public roads. But it's not a crime if the car survives, right? So let's see if I can fix this problem. Hit the water too much, and this is what happens. Alright. The damage is minimal. It appears we have two plastic clips. One right here, and one right here. And they have been ripped clear of the car. Luckily for me, I've been modifying cars for a long time, so I have a plethora of these plastic clips left over, and if one of those doesn't work, there's always zip ties. Let's see what we've got here. This one's just going into a little chassis brace on the bottom of the car here. Don't know if that is what we need. And that was the biggest of the plastic clips that I have. It's not working here. Let's try this second location. This hole was just on the bottom of the car. Nope. Plastic clips aren't working, so I really hate to do this because, like, this is a pretty new and nice car, but desperate times call for desperate measures. Boom. Boom. Under panel back in place, baby. Minimal damage, honestly, for having been dragged along the road for a mile and a half. Like, could be way worse. 12,000 miles. And I'm already using zip ties. So there you have it, folks. If you need to drive your 86 or BRZ in tropical storm or hurricane conditions, maybe don't, but if you absolutely need to, maintain the high ground and go slow through the puddles, because while air is a fluid, as is water, water has a lot more mass than air. Here's your lesson in hydrodynamics, aerodynamics, something like that. Here's your lesson in not being an idiot. That's it for me this time. Thank you all so much for watching, subscribing, and I hope if you're in the path of Hurricane Milton that you're safe. And if not, I hope you just enjoyed this one. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I had to commit several traffic violations to get my